Go.
All right, so today we're gonna be doing noble gas notation, and we're gonna be doing it for bromine and iodine. And so bromine is going to be right here on 35. So with noble gas notation, you have to find the nearest noble gas that has less electrons. So we would have to go backwards to the argon, which is 18. We have to go all the way back through the D's, through the S, all the way back to the 3P section. But that's gonna be where we stop, but we have to still go in order from left to right from the beginning. So it's gonna be from 1 to 18 now. So for bromine, we're gonna be labeling it, we have to put brackets to point out which noble gas it is, and it's gonna be labeled AR. And we're gonna have another bracket. So it's signifying that that's your noble gas. Then we come over and we label 1S2 because we go through the 1S's. Then we come down to 2S2, and it's going to keep going through all the way till you get to argon. So we're gonna come through to 2P, and it's going to have the 6 electrons because they're all filled. So it's gonna be 2P6. We come down to 3S, and it's gonna have 2 because they're both filled. Coming across, we're gonna have the 3P, and we're gonna go all the way to argon, so it's gonna be 3P6. So that's for your bromine. That's how you point out the nearest noble gas for bromine. And for iodine, it's gonna be located on 53. So we're gonna have to come back to krypton because that's the nearest noble gas with less electrons. So we're gonna go all the way back. So we're gonna do square bracket KR, and it is going to be located at the 4P section. But we have to start from the beginning again. We have to go from 1 to 36. So we have to start off with 1S squared, which is gonna be these two. Then we come down to 2S squared, which is these two. And then we come across 2P, and it's gonna have the 6 because they're all filled, and we still have to get 36. Come down to 3S squared because they're both there, and I say squared, but it's really meaning 2 electrons are there. And then we come across to 3P, and it's gonna be all full, so it's gonna be 6. Then we come down to 4S, and it's gonna be 2 because they're both filled. And we have to come through to, now this is gonna be the D section, and it's not gonna follow this numeric order right here. It's actually gonna be 3. Even though it's in the 4th row, the first column is gonna be 3D. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 electrons in there. Or 10 elements in there, sorry. So it's gonna be labeled 3D10, because all of them are filled and we're not to our 36 yet. Now we're at 4P. So we're gonna do 4P, and we come all the way to krypton, so it's gonna be still 6. And that's how you find the noble gases for bromine and iodine.